I rarely make my own sales videos because sales videos are supposed to be slick. And if you like slick, well, this isn't it. It's not slick, but it is honest. Let me ask you a question. How many products have you purchased which actually delivered real results? How much money have you actually made online? Have you made anything online? Or do you find yourself spending more and more and more and yet getting zero results? Building an online business is never as easy as it sounds. You try this, you try that, and at the end of the day, what have you got to show for it? Well, in most cases, most people have nothing to show for it. Building an online business is hard work and it costs money. Or I should say, it usually takes a lot of hard work and it usually costs additional money. Now let me introduce you to Helen. Hello, Helen.
Hello.
Helen jumped into the spotlight early in 2018 when she revealed how she was generating income from nothing more than posting content on one very unique platform. That's right, Helen, isn't it?
Yes, that's right.
And you still make money from posting content, Helen, yeah?
Yes, I do.
So just to clarify, Helen, you don't sell or promote anything in order to make the money you've been making?
No, nothing like that. I've never had to sell or promote any products on there.
As I make this video, Helen has been making money week in, week out for over 2 years by simply posting content. Now, with Helen's help, we've been able to automate the whole of her process down to 3 clicks. Now, I know you've probably seen an awful lot of 1-click, 2-click, 3-click softwares that promise the earth and delivered nothing. This software and Helen's assistant deliver real results. So take a look at Helen's demonstration here.
First step to find great content to fit your niche is you put a keyword in here or a YouTube URL and you choose a video and you extract the content. Once you're happy with your post, you simply publish it by pressing this green button that says Create Post. So once published, you will see your post on your own blog as well as the platform.
So let me summarize Helen's demonstration for you. First of all, you can see that she pasted in a keyword and then click submit. Then instantly Continue has built her a post. And then as soon as she publishes that post on her own blog, the same content or the same post is then republished on a secondary platform. And that's where Helen makes her money. And just so everybody at home, everybody watching this video right now knows, Hope Hugs is actually you. Is that right, Helen?
Yes, that's it. Yes, it is.
Now you see, Helen makes money by simply posting content. She doesn't sell anything. She doesn't have to promote anything. She simply posts content, and that's how she makes money. Simple. Now using Continue means that Helen and anybody else that uses it can produce unique content in literally seconds. Now let me prove that to you now. Now for this quick demonstration, I'm going to pop in a YouTube URL here. Now Helen's already shown you that you can drop in a keyword or a phrase and you can find a video to work from that way. I'm going to use the URL method, so basically the same, but I already know which video that I want to extract from, so I just take the URL here and then paste that in here like so, and then click submit. And then once Continue has finished extracting the content from the video, then it starts to format a post. So the page will look like this. So nothing is live yet, nothing is published. You can change anything here, but you can see that we have the thumbnail there. We have the tags there. All of this can be edited. The post itself, so again, any of this can be edited. We can spin up here if we want to. And then if I go down here, I can create a post. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this content. So I've just extracted it from this video, which happens to be my own. I'll copy that, and then I'm going to pop that content into Copyscape and click search. And you can see that that post is 100% unique. So generating that content took literally seconds. And remember, Continue is coded to repost everything you publish on your own blog to the secondary platform. And each time you post new content there, then you have the potential to generate more and more revenue. It's like being paid to build your own business. So like I said at the beginning of this video, this was never about being one of those slick sales videos. It was about showing you what you can use Continue for and what you can achieve with it. Continue is way more than just another WordPress plugin. It's a tool, but it's also a system. So when you purchase Continue Today, you get a plugin and you get 2 systems. Now, first of all, the plugin will allow you to extract content in literally seconds. This content is nearly always unique. You can check it on Copyscape, and then as soon as you publish that content on your own blog, it's reposted to the secondary platform following Helen's system. Now, a note here is that you will have to connect up the plugin with the platform. The platform, membership of the platform is absolutely free, and connecting the 2 together is very, very simple. But once you've done that, every time you publish new content on your blog, there's a potential to generate revenue simply by having that post republished on the secondary platform. And there's nothing for you to do there. The app takes care of all of that for you. Now, for anybody interested in scaling up Helen's method, as she's been doing for the last 2 years, then the whole of her training is built in as well. So you don't need to follow it, but if you are interested in taking it that little bit further, everything's included. On top of that, there's also a system from me, a system that I've used with my blogs for the last 14 months. Now, you'll find all of the details underneath this video. So please take the time to check it out now. And remember, if all you do is extract content, publish it, you have the potential to make money tomorrow. Continue works on several different levels. Now, the core elements of the whole thing is the fact that you can generate content in literally seconds. Now, the content is extracted from YouTube videos. Now, what you can do is you can put in a keyword up here, or you can put in the link for the YouTube video. So for example, I can put a phrase in here like so and click submit, and it will bring up a number of videos relating to that keyword. Or I can just put in the YouTube URL here, i.e. this one up here. So you need to take the full URL, not the share link, but the actual full URL. So we'll grab that one there and then paste that in here. Now again, this happens incredibly quickly, so I just drop that in there, click submit, and you can see straight away it's built a post. Now this is in draft, so you can edit it as much as you like. You'll see it pulls the image, it pulls the tags, so all the tags that are relating to this video, it pulls those there, and as soon as you publish, obviously all those tags are added to your post. Now, everything here, everything you see can be edited. You can even spin the content if you like. So the spin content element is built into Continue, so no need for additional software. But what you'll find is, in most cases, let me just drag this page up. In most cases, this text will be 100% unique. So I'm going to copy that there, and I'm going to go over to Copyscape and show you. So if we go over here and then I paste that in there, like so, and then click search, just wait for it to load, and you can see that there are no results for that content. So the reason that in most cases the content is 100% unique is the fact that most videos are unscripted. So it's like me talking to you now. I haven't written any of this down, it's not published anywhere, so we're extracting from the YouTube video. Providing that YouTube video hasn't been scripted and that script hasn't been published online, then it's going to come back unique. So instant unique content, if you like. Now, producing unique content is brilliant. It's great. It's something that you can use in absolutely any niche. So if you need content, then this is a great plugin. Number one, you can drop in a phrase here or type a phrase in here, or you can put the YouTube URL. Now, I've shown you how to use a YouTube URL, but what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to put in a phrase, click there. So you can see a number of videos down here. So if I liked, say, this one here, all I would do is click this link, and then Continue builds a post in the background. So you can see everything is there. This one's quite a long one, so what you could do is you could chop this up. Now the way it works is it extracts the spoken word, so everything that I'm saying or this guy's saying in a video is extracted through the use of closed captions, i.e. subtitles from the video. It's extracted and then turned into a written post like this. Now again, you can edit this. You could chop it up and use it as a series of different posts, as I've done here. You can see there's 1, 2, 3, all taken from the same post. You can essentially do whatever you would do normally with great content. It will allow you to build out an authority blog in whatever niche you're in. If you already have a blog, then you'll be able to find content instantly. You won't have to write anything. You might have to tweak it a little bit, but that's all there is to it. What I've shown you here really is the way it works. You can extract content. You can extract the spoken word from videos, and turn it into written posts, which makes sense. You don't have to spin it. Of course, the spin feature is built in, but you don't have to spin it in most cases because it's unscripted. It's not published. It's unique content. And as an added bonus, while you're building out your authority blog, then you can also get financial rewards simply by linking up this platform with Continue, and then every time you publish on your blog, it's also republished here. So again, one plugin that extracts content that allows you to generate content in literally minutes, and two real systems, one from Helen and one from myself. It's all included with Continue.
First step to find great content to fit your niche is you put a keyword in here or a YouTube URL, and you choose a video and you extract the content. Once you're happy with your post, you simply publish it by pressing this green button that says Create Post. So once published, you will see your post on your own blog as well as the platform.